going on, guys? Back here with another video. So today we're getting some tires installed. Here's a little sneak peek of the Civic. You guys really haven't seen this yet. This was my build last year. It's turbo R18. We're going to be covering a little bit of footage on it. So right now we're just going to get these thrown in the truck here. Might know this place, it might look a little familiar. Getting some tires put on. I think people are gonna want to see your skyline, bro. We might have to do a little tour on it.
Thanks, buddy.
And nice color change, too.
It's been in hiding.
Yeah,
you have to come by.
All right, man. Enjoy it, eh?
Later, buddy. R33. Yeah, there you go, guys. R33 power. RB25. Just destroying it. What is this making for power? 50 to the wheels.
Yeah. Insane. TNS Tire and Auto. Check them out on Instagram. It's my buddy's shop here. Give him a shout out. He'll definitely hook you up with some tires. So I am ready to roll. That's a sweet little cruise in the skyline. Can't go wrong with that. Definitely be posting that. Tires are done. And we're going get them on the BMW. Okay, so we got these tires mounted on. Just want to thank everyone that's been following the page and keeping up to date with the build.